Oh my god, I got 2. Are you kidding me? I need to cut it out. Cut myself off is what I need to do. Hold on.
Hailey goes on a no-buy.
I wish. My bank account wishes.
You just wait to fall apart once I hit power?
No. Can I have a peppermint? You can have a peppermint. That's too hard for me. Hey!
Welcome. On today's video, it's another edition of Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter. Ipsy Glam Bag edition. This is where we put our bags up against each other. These are profile based. You do get to customize one item in here, and we see whose bag came out on top, which we forgot to talk about in our list. We were a little scatterbrained. Hailey's back.
Upset.
Hailey's doing good. We're pretty excited about it.
My face doesn't look like my face today.
It does.
My nose looks like Squidward.
Hailey, you're gorgeous, you are beautiful. We are uplifting, we are empowering, we are happy, we embrace the hot mess.
I'm just so used to seeing myself with stuff all over my face, so it's like, where's the prosthetic? Where is it?
Face. Anyways, guys,
Latex.
if you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess. And this is my gorgeous daughter, Hailey, which she does have her own channel where she did do unboxings, as well as she's doing the 31 days of Halloween over on her channel. So make sure to check her out in my description box down below, also in my comment section. Go show her some love, and don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at HotmessMomma4. I will pop it up like right here or something.
You know how much taller I am once I sit up?
And that's me sitting up. Yeah, joys, I'm short. Anyways, guys, I'm trying to get that 10K swipey uppy, so if you could go over there and follow me, that would be fabulous. Go over there, subscribe to Hailey's channel. She's doing a bunch of fun stuff. And
please get me monetized. Please.
And let's go ahead and jump into the video. Whoop! So, the Ipsy Glam Bag.
I sat down and my conscious state of mind was like, like I can't control me right now.
Sugar high.
Oh my god, it is. It's the pie. It's a carb load. Oh my, I've been eating so good today.
I gave you the mashed potatoes.
Yeah, it was that mound of mashed potatoes. And the gosh darn pie. That's why I'm dying right now.
Your body didn't have food like all day long. You had cucumbers and a bell pepper. What's that doing? Okay, ready? Are you sure? Anyways, guys, the Ipsy Glam Bag is $12 a month, in case I forgot to tell you.
I want to know what this is now. I'm sorry. How do you open it?
Oh, Hailey.
Oh my god. It's okay.
$12 a month. You do get to customize one item. Do you want to go with your add-ons?
I bought add-ons because I was bougie.
I was dying. And you keep making me laugh. It makes my belly hurt even more.
I can't help. I'm a natural born comedian.
You are. You could make so much money.
No, I couldn't. I'd get on stage and be like, go have a nice night, guys. Social anxiety out.
Okay, you want to do your add-on?
Okay, so my add-on. I got 2 things.
I got 0.
The first thing I got is this Sunday Riley A+ high dose retinoid serum. So I got this in my PR, and then I also purchased it because I didn't know it was going to come in my PR. And I have been using it, and I like it.
Yeah, that's good.
I'll never be old. Then I got this CEO 15% vitamin C brightening serum.
Do you like that? I've not tried that one.
Well, a long time ago you gave it to, yes,
I gave you the cream.
No, it was in an orange jar. You gave me something and it broke me out. And
that was the cream.
And it was in an orange squirt bottle, and it was from Sunday Riley. So I don't know what it was, but I tried it. It broke me out. Didn't work for me, so I sold it on Poshmark.
Really? It can't. The one I'm thinking of came in an old Allure box, like Allure 2017. It wasn't PR, guys, so it's okay.
It was a long time ago. So it's a vitamin C brightening serum. So if this is what I think it was when it was before, it might break me out, but we'll see.
Oh my god, this is like such a hot mess. I need a disclaimer. Can you do something about that, sir? Thank you.
Wait, I just washed it.
We are a mess up in here.
It gets like
live studio audience.
I know, right?
Okay, so those are my extras.
Okay, that was it. Okay, you can start your bio.
So the first item in my bag is the Miss Glam.
She likes to go up on.
I know. I was just gonna
like,
restate it.
Oh, okay.
So my first item.
Not Corona.
Why is he whistling?
Honey, we're filming. He forgets. We're all a mess up in here.
Did he keep whistling or is this in my head?
It's in your head.
Okay, so my next item is the SL Miss Glam Round Brush P40 brush, and is this green?
Yes, Hailey.
Not colorblind. That's my first item.
So mine is the little sheet masks by Timeless Beauty Bar. Face the Day Soothing and Restoring Face Thingy. Anyways, it's a repairing, cooling face sheet mask. Oh, and on this card, that's not the card. On the other card in this one, it actually gives you information. So, like those face masks are $5 per mask. The more you know. You're up.
Well, that brush was full size and $18.50.
Ooh.
Ballin'.
What's your next item?
Okay, so my next item is, whoa. I caught it, you guys. No green juice shots for you yet. So my next item is the Oryza, O-R-Y-Z-A Beauty Astral Amethyst Shimmer Eyeshadow. I almost do it. And this is the eyeshadow quad. Look at this. Oh, so cute. And this is full size.
That's pretty.
So that's already 2 full-size items. Get on my level, Mom. This is worth $20. And this retails for $20. I hate saying this is worth. This retails for $20.
So my next item is by Ofra. And this is a retail value. Are you ready? $35.
Dang.
And it's so pretty. I swatched it.
I told her to get on my level and she got on my level.
I was like, I got you. I see you. Hold my beverage. Keeping it family friendly.
So my next item is the Essence Cosmetics Pure Nude Highlighter in Popping Charming.
Oh, that's popping.
For you, maybe. I don't think that's gonna be.
It's really soft. I really thought this was gonna be like really gold.
And to me, that is really
That's pretty gold.
You want
Okay.
it?
No, I have a lot of those. Like
it was $10.
That's $10
And
for Essence.
This is a deluxe sample, but the full size one is $10.
Essence is like super duper uber
Affordable.
Yeah, and it's not a brand I would expect to see at Ipsy, to be honest.
Maybe they're getting bougie on a budget and raising their prices. Which, if so, that means I'm gonna have to go in there and get a bunch of their angled brushes because they're like $1.
Like their blushes at Ulta are like $3.
Yes, I almost was about to hold my breath, and I don't know why.
Okay. So apparently my choice item, because you can customize one item, is the Tarte Maracuja Tinted Hydrator in this itty bitty teeny tiny cutesy little sample. And I did pick the shade 34 Neutral Medium Neutral. Dyslexic Life, your turn.
Oh, I got that too.
Oh, yay, twinsies.
So we both got the Lottie London Stay All Day Long Wear Matte Liquid So we both got the Lottie London Stay All Day Long Wear Matte Liquid Lipstick. And this is in the shade
Fleek.
Yes. I thought it was mini Stay All Day Fleek. Just Fleek. Cute.
What's your next item? I want to see.
My next, I picked
different.
this. My next item is the Milan and Gauthis Mojito Lip Balm. I think it's full size.
It looks like it.
It is.
Yeah.
Retails for $14.
My next item is the It Lash Blowout.
What? This is so good, but I got something in it. Yep, fuzz from my sweater that I just used to wipe my mouth. Okay, that's better now.
Does it have a scent?
Minty.
Oh yeah, definitely minty. Oh my god, I just had a flashback. The Kissin' Coolers. 90s babies, the kissing coolers. If I can find it on Google image or something, I will. It was like, they were this big, and I think they were like shaped in a heart. And there was one that was like green and white swirl, and it smelled like that.
I have the circle ones.
No, hold on. I have to find these now. They were by Maybelline? I just found them on eBay.
Oh, I didn't have those, but they sold those in the bathroom at the mall.
Really?
Oh.
Okay. Anyways, my last item was by It Cosmetics, the Lash Blowout Mascara. What do you think of the bag?
Well, I'm happy because all my items are in this bag. I'm literally just gonna... I'm sorry, Ipsy, but I'm just really sad. It was the expensive bag, too. If it was like a little mini sample lipstick, I'd be like, okay. But it's like a whole full-on, full-size.
I think our bags were a tie.
Yeah, I like my bag.
Because I really enjoy my bag. Like, I'm super excited over my Ofra highlighter. By the way, it's in the shade Blissful, if I forgot to tell you. Like, it's so pretty. I rubbed a lot of it off, but it's so, like, you can't. By the way, if you guys want to pick up any Ofra sale or any Ofra items, and I'm sure they're going to have a big sale, you may be able to use my code HOTMESS to save 20% off at Ofra. It's an affiliate link, or a code letting you guys know, but I know even on their sale items, I shop and use my own code because I like to save money. Anyways, I think this bag was definitely good, like really good. And again, I felt like it was better than my PR bag, but that was just me. So let us know you guys' thoughts down below. Whose bag did you think was the better bag? I like this bag, my paid for bag, better than my PR for sure. And I don't even think I set my PR bag up correctly, but anywho. So don't forget to check Hailey out over on her channel. Love Hailey with her 31 Days of Halloween, her bagging of her Ipsy PR as well. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. There should still be a giveaway going on our channel right now. I'll have all of that linked down below for you guys. And until next time, as always, we hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky.
Bye. I dropped something. Green juice shot.
Ooh.